Okay, here's a quick video on how to reconfigure the Obsidian 9 from Rugged. This nice suppressor, modular. But what I'm going to do is take the 1/2x28 piston out and put a 13.5x1 left-hand piston on there for the Sig and HK. This is a Sig 239 tactical. Not a lot of reviews on the tactical. I see a lot of reviews for the 40 and 357 Sig and even 9 on YouTube, but I haven't seen too many videos on the tactical, so I wanted to show you a close-up here of how this piston fits on. It goes left-handed, which is the European style. It's a lot easier to thread on. There's an O-ring inside there that is supposed to keep it tight while shooting. We'll see about that in a little while. But the threads do fit. So now I'll take out the piston here. I'll see if we can do it without the tool. I might have to use the tool. I think I used the tool to tighten it, is why I couldn't get it off by hand. Usually I can unthread it by hand real easily. I did grease it up before I put it back together. So as you can see, we got some white lithium grease already on there, ready to go for the 9, for the regular 1/2x28 threads. So now we're just gonna put that spring on this piston. Put it together like so. Don't forget to lube up. Hope that's enough. And I heard it snap in, so it definitely wants to fit in there. Let me go ahead and, there, just a little bit extra. Wipe off the excess. And it's left-handed, so yeah, those are, didn't have to turn it quite as many times as I did the other way. And it should be ready to go now. So what we'll do is some testing out at the range and get right back to you.